everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and I have a new haul for you guys. So we're going to jump into Dollarama and Dollar Tree today, and they're still rolling out with lots of new great finds, and I just wanted to hop on and share because they're so fun. I missed out last time, but guys, not this time. I found the plushie gnomes. So I was so happy because they're just too adorable. But yeah, I'm so happy that I finally found them. I forget what season had them last. Was it Valentine's Day or Easter? I can't remember, but I never came across them. So happy that they're hauled by me this year so I can share with you. So they're just so sweet. Another great find. Too adorable. Look at gingerbread girly and boy. So how sweet is that as a little couple? And yeah, they're just doing so good with Dollar Tree plushies this year. I love them. Love. Okay, cool. Love that. I found some fabric, but I only picked up one, and it's this really gorgeous candy cane on the black. So there was gnomes, and there were stripes, and there wasn't a lot of selection where I went, but I always love the black background, and of course we all decorate with buffalo check and everything, so there's black in there, so I figured I could find a use for the black fabric. Another fun find, guys. Check this out. So this is just a tin. As you can see, there's no top or lid or anything. It's just a tin. And I thought that was fantastic. So how cool is that? I love that. So I went in there and I'm like, oh that. I was just so excited. Everything was jumping up at me. So I was so happy to find these things. They have some new patterns this year for these stackable containers. So I do love that it's a section. Oh, let me open it. Oh, I can't even open that one. Oh, yeah. So there's a section here on the rim, so it will keep your cookies and baking nice and fresh. And so this one has all the sweet gingerbread. And then, of course, they came out with the gnomes. So how sweet are those? I haven't bought these in the past, so when I seen the new designs on them this year, I thought I'd grab them. There was two other designs I also saw. A red truck, I believe, with a snowman on the side, and then a Santa Claus theme. So if you're interested, have a look for those, and I hope you find them. Of course, you know, every year I go to the handmade cards. The whole display wasn't out quite yet, but what I did find was this one, Joy to the World. So it's in a blue. And if you know me and been following me, I always frame the special cards I find. So I found this iridescent frame. I was putting gold against it, and just the blue was throwing me off. And then all of a sudden I found this iridescent frame. So I just thought, oh wow, that really pops. So I'm gonna insert that card into that frame, and I think that one's gonna be gorgeous this year in my decorations. So yeah, that's a fun, easy craft to do, is find a gorgeous card you love, throw it in a picture frame, and there you go. For a couple bucks, you got a really special picture to display. So yeah, love. These candies, I get them every year because I love them, and I tried to discreetly open the package. But yeah, I was into them already. But they're just those really fun holiday jujus, they're called. I just love the flavor. There's only a red and a green in there, and they have the white in the jujube. So just a yummy combination. So I was happy that they were put out already. Probably not a good thing because I like them a lot. Okay, so happy. Was hoping and waiting and searching on a weekly basis, and they finally showed up. So it's the cake decorating tips. They have made their way to Canadian stores, and so you're getting 2 for $6 tips. So I grabbed 2 packs just to show you, and those are the tips that you're getting and the design the icing makes. So what a great deal. So got those, and then of course they had the modeling sticks that also go along with it. So they're dual ended, and I just think Dollar Tree is doing an amazing thing, like going outside the box now and helping us with cake decorating items. And I just mean Dollar Tree. It's so exciting to go on the hunt now and see what they've got, because just things keep popping up and they're so exciting. So that's all I have right now for Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you some Dollarama items. Now, the big thing I want to show you are diamond painting kits. So you remember those cute little toucan birds and the butterflies I think I showed you? They actually came out with full size kits now for $4. And so I'm a little late in sharing these. I got these at the end of summer, but I have been seeing the odd one here and there in some of the Dollaramas still. And sometimes they do restock them. So I hope you can find them if this is something you're interested in. So this is the design that it is. Obviously, there's your pattern. And then your beads and your tools and everything is inside the pack. So there are 7 in all to purchase, and I got them all. It took me a while to find all of them, but I was relentless and I found them. So there's this dream catcher. This is kind of hard to see, but I'll read it and then I'll show you up close. It says, every love story is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't read it. And you are my favorite. So that is how that one looked. I just liked it because it had those really rich jewel tones. Now, I don't know if I'm going to gift some or if I was going to create them and then gift them already prepared. But I thought for $4, and they are a good size. So these are 30 by 40 centimeters. So it's a little better than an 8 by 10. And so then there's this pastel dream catcher. So there's that one. And then there's this one, another wordy one. I love you to the moon and back. So these darker ones are harder to see. So there, as you can see in the pattern, there's a lot of darkness into it. But I mean, I'm sure they're going to turn out gorgeous. Excuse me, I dropped one. This one is just kind of farmhousey. It just says home. So there's that one. And then these two were just gorgeous, and I needed both of them. So they are the flowers, the teal. That pretty teal blue color in the background. I have a few people who have decorated with this color, so I probably will be preparing these and then gifting them once they're complete, but I love those. So yeah, there's 7 in total. They are still around. They were a hot item when they first came out as well. So good luck in finding those if that's something you're interested in. I found the sequins. I just loved the color combinations of them all. So the blues, and then the like very neutral light peachy colors. I love that. And then these really pretty dusty rose colors and the pinks. And they are $1.25 each. So I thought those were really pretty colors. And I believe those were the only 3 they had. And then I found these. They're just called thread snippers, and you get a 2-pack. So they're just handy when you have something smaller or tinier to cut. Even maybe fussy cutting. Actually, that'd be really difficult because to maneuver these, I think it would be a little bit difficult for fussy cutting. But anyways, just a nice little snippy pair of scissors to have alongside when I'm crafting. And then last but not least, 5-piece synthetic leather. So they're 19 by 20 centimeters. They were $2. So I just thought that might come in handy with, you know, you could make some tassels, cut them up, make a fringe, and then roll it, make a tassel out of them. That would be fun. Really don't know what else. I guess you could use some of it for adding decorations to like maybe a farmhouse scene. If you had a wooden plaque and you painted a mason jar on there, just to add a strip of this pretend leather across the top would add like an added dimension to it. So yeah, I thought that's kind of interesting. I'm just gonna pick that up and see where my mind takes me. But that's all I have for today. But guys, go find the Stuffy, the plushies. How cute! I'm so glad they're back. Anyways, I'll be back with another haul when I get out and find some more stuff for you. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe below, and we'll talk to you guys real soon. Have a great day.